Dom here from Essential RC. Thanks for tuning in for another flight test. We have here the latest version of the Durafly Tundra. I must have reviewed the first version of the Tundra maybe 10 years ago now. That's how long the Tundra has been around, and there have been several versions of it, from this version, medium-sized version, to the smaller version, to the Tundra, and we like all of them. It's a fantastic model. So this is the classic scheme. We've got the wheels on this one, and yes, it still comes with floats. So this is the new scheme with new red. I love red, as you know. So this comes with, they both come with floats and available in these two schemes. 4S, about a 4S 2200 to 2500 pack is what you need to fly it. So I show here that it's got the floats and the water rudder, but you can also optionally get, and you have been for a long time now, able to get a candy dropper and some skis as well. If you get snow in your region regularly, then you might want to get the skis. But otherwise, this is a classic high wing trainer, you know, really great. This would be my recommendation for a go-to model if you want to learn how to fly. Very easy to put together, very easy to set up with a Radio Master TX16. Choose ELRS or receiver or any other protocol receiver. TX16S works with the majority of the protocols that are out there now, not locked into one protocol, and then you're ready to go. So we are going to fly the classic green with the wheels first, show what that can do, and in a second video in a few days time we will show you the new scheme working off water. But let's get it in the air. All right, here we go. Put a 4S 2600 pack in and ready for its first flight.
Again, flaps. It's not actually moving. Yeah.
There we go, quick first flight. Can't beat the Tundra, it does absolutely everything. You can fly it as a trainer, fly it as a full-on sport aerobatic model. The sprung and undercarriage absorb all the knocks you might give it. It's got the high visibility lights, you've got wingtip lights, you've got a nice bright light on the front, you've got your flashing light underneath, it really improves the visibility. The turbulators on top kind of enable or improve the slow speed characteristics. You've got the struts to support the wings so that you can really chuck it around. Big barn door flaps as well, so you can see there I use those full 90-degree flaps to do a high alpha landing in the 10-mile-an-hour wind that we've got today. Absolutely fantastic. And it's made from, you know, EPO foam, so if you do happen to knock it or give it a ding or break something off, just a bit of super glue and accelerator, and you're going to have it back together and in the air pretty quickly. So thanks for watching this Essential RC flight test. Look out for the next one. We're going to get it on water with the floats, the new red scheme as well. But thanks for watching Essential RC. Thanks to the boys from Flying Fin RC for their help making this video. We'll be back soon. See you soon.